I was learning a lot while building different solution delivery pipelines. And that's something I'm proud of. But I would say my proudest moment in the leadership role was when I made it to line management. Being a line manager, the best day ever was getting 4 people promoted. I did take a step back to be an individual contributor because I love the science and I love transitioning science into operations, research to operations, and vice versa, taking operational insights back into research. So I became, fast forward, I transitioned and worked at Sandia National Labs, became a principal cybersecurity engineer there, and started off doing a lot of attack surface research for different entities, and then transitioned my time to doing more international capacity building work, specifically working with researchers around the world on R&D type things.